Hello everyone, in this video we will be making a dual flasher using transistors. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe, and comment your thoughts. So just for the sake of it, the transistor with the blue LED will be transistor 1, the transistor with the red LED will be transistor 2, the capacitor that has the legs more extended will be capacitor 1, and the shorter legs that has shorter legs extended will be capacitor 2. First we place both transistors on the board. Then we will place our capacitors on the board on the other side. First, we connect the base of transistor 2 to the negative pin of capacitor 1, and the collector of the transistor 2 to the capacitor 2's positive rail, and we do the vice versa for the other transistor. So we connect the base of transistor 1 to the negative rail of capacitor 2, and the positive rail of the capacitor 1 to the emitter of transistor 1. Next, we will connect capacitor 1 and 2's negative rail to the positive rail via 47 kilo ohm resistor. Our next step is to connect an LED's negative to the collector of transistor 1 and its positive to the positive rail via a 330 ohm resistor. Then we connect both emitters of both transistors, and then we connect that common point to the negative rail. Next, we connect another LED on the other side and its positive to the positive rail via a 330 ohm resistor, and connect its negative to the collector of transistor 2. So now we are all done. How it works is one capacitor gets charged up a certain amount. Then it discharges also a certain amount. Then because it's connected to the base, right, of transistors. So when it gives off enough discharge, the base gets amplified enough, and it gives off different signals at its collector and its emitter. And the emitter is just connected to the negative rail to just feed in power. So it's just basically the capacitor getting in voltage, charging up, and then discharging a certain amount or a certain number of current. And then after that, if the base gets amplified enough, then the collector turns on an LED, and vice versa, and it keeps flip-flopping and flip-flopping. Here are some close-up images and the circuit diagram to help you. These close-up images can show you which pins to connect. Also, the circuit diagram was made by me.